Hey look y'all, during the lawn care season, that grass grows fast. Alright, we're at the next yard. It's an $80 yard, y'all. So edging, mowing, and string trimming. There's already like a lot of leaves falling, so I don't got my mulching blades on the mower yet, but I use mulching blades for fall and winter for the leaves and the pine needles. But I'm gonna go over the front yard maybe like about 2 times just to like cut up the leaves. So here we go. Alright, so here we go. So whenever I service a lawn, I always start off with the edging, and then I mow, and then I string trim. So the basic service, y'all, is I tell the customer when I give them the quote, the service includes edging your driveway, your walkway, and your street curb. And if you have a sidewalk, I also include edging your sidewalk. Alright, and then I'll mow the front and back, and then I'll also string trim along the house and along the fence line and around any trees or any obstacles. Alright, so that's what I tell the customer, y'all. So I start off edging, then I mow, then I string trim, and then I blow off the debris. Blowing off the debris is implied. Okay, actually sometimes customers ask me, do you clean off the grass clippings from the street and the sidewalk and the driveway? Yes, we do. We blow off the debris, you know what I mean, from the street and the sidewalk and the driveway. So, and believe it or not, y'all, there are some lawn care companies or side hustlers that they just leave the grass clippings on the street. It's ridiculous. It's unprofessional and it looks real nasty, y'all. One time, I saw that. I was doing one of my customers' yards, and the next door neighbor across the street, her grass was just real high, and it used to be my customer, but I had a problem getting a payment from them, so I dropped them from our schedule, and no one wanted to cut her grass, and somebody finally came and cut the grass, and it was crazy. There was grass clippings everywhere, man, like piles of grass clippings on the street. So I just blew them off because it was real unprofessional. So anyway, y'all, so there's the backyard right here. This is an $80 yard, y'all. Edging, mowing, and string trimming, and blowing off the grass clippings. Okay, so that shed all up there in the back on the right corner, that's on the other side of the fence. All right, so I edited this video. If I disappear, I'll be gone for a while. So why when I disappear, I cut it and then I come back. All right, so right here, boom. I was actually gone for maybe 10 seconds, then I'll come back. But I edited, y'all, so y'all won't be seeing me gone for a while. And right here, there's like a little dip right there. Y'all see that dip? All right, so I keep the mower deck at about 3 inches for this yard. The backyard does grow fast. When I first got this yard, they found me on my Google page, and I went to go talk to them. And one of the first questions I always ask them is, "Hey, did you have a lawn care company or any kind of service before?" Like, yeah, we did, but he just stopped showing up. Oh, really? Yeah. Well, how much did he charge? Well, he charged $100, but that was just mowing, and that was like once a month. Like, oh, really? Okay. Well, mine is $80, and I mow, edge, and string trim. I do all 3 of those. All right, and I have to come bi-weekly, twice a month. I may have to come weekly. It depends on how fast the grass grows, but I'll let you know if I do have to come weekly. And there was a time in June and July I was coming weekly, and they were okay with it because the grass was growing real fast. And they have like a little dog, and the dog will get lost in the backyard because they couldn't see their little dog anymore because they couldn't see their dog because the grass was just so high. So they wouldn't mind me coming every week. So that was $320 a month just from that one customer, y'all. Okay, and this shed is all beat up. They have like a lot of stuff on that shed, you know what I mean? So I'm real careful with string trimming, y'all. Like I don't string trim. I string trim as close as I can without beating up any of the wood of a shed or any of their obstacles or even the house. All right. And especially the fence, like I'll get as close as I can to the fence because I want to beat up my my string trim if I hit the fence. You know what I mean? Anyway, here's me blowing. That's a Echo PB580 T Echo blower. I had it since 2000 for 4 years now, going on 5 years, y'all. It's a good blower. It does a job. You know, I use it for leaf cleanups. There's more powerful blowers out there. I was talking to the boss, you know, the wife. Hey, maybe we need a stronger blower, you know, for this season for pine needle and leaf cleanups. You know, so we're thinking about it. We'll probably get the Red Max. Apparently, Red Max has a is more powerful blower than Stihl and Echo. All right, so that was another one of my $80 customers. Excuse me if for all your other Lawncare YouTubers, I'm putting my prices on here. You know what I mean? I'm just like letting everybody watching how much I quote and how they can make money on a side hustle or Lawncare business. If they're looking for another income. But they're probably saying, man, that was $80. Hey, look, y'all, during the Lawncare season, that grass grows fast. All right. And when it starts becoming slow, I ain't gonna don't never lower the quote. The quote always stays the same. That's how I do it. Okay, you could do it however you want to do it. All right. I mentioned about string trimming the fence line because you saw that back fence over there. I don't know if you can see it on the video. It just like has brush growing all between the fence from the other side of the fence. All right. So that's another service. All right. That's called like a fence cleanup. Okay, I'm string trimming along the fence line, the bottom of the line. Okay, all right, from all any grass that I couldn't get with the mower. All right, so that's the service. All right, string trimming. Okay, I won't say weed eating because they're gonna expect you to like take out all the weeds in the flower beds. All right, it's string trimming. Okay, that's what I call it, string trimming. I don't know if you saw that flower bed had all those weeds in there. That's another service, y'all. It's called flower bed maintenance. Okay, that's not included in lawn care maintenance. All right. That's flower bed maintenance. But what I do is because they're a good faithful customer, I always like go over with the string trimmer. I just like, if it's real high, I'll cut it down with the string trimmer, okay? I didn't do it today because they're gonna expect you to do it all the time. But hey, however you want to do it, y'all, okay? I went over it kind of like twice in the middle with the mower, the leaves in the front because like leaves are falling, so I'm trying to just mulch up the leaves and push them inside the where the trees are, okay, or get them like centered and just go over it a couple of times. All right, so I can just eat up the leaves with the mower. But next month I'm gonna put my my mulching blades on, so-called gator blades. All right, so that way, because the leaves are gonna be falling, pine needles are gonna be falling, and customers are gonna want leaf and pine needle cleanup. But hey, y'all, let's get to the next yard. Hey, please like and subscribe. All right, I would really appreciate it. Hey, thank you and God bless.